What we're seeing a lot is other MSPs are locking out their clients from everything that they're doing, don't want their clients to see what's going on behind the curtain. We don't believe in that.
Relationships are super important in the business space. People want to do business with people they know and trust. One thing we joke about is that we're a hospitality company, not an IT company. We're people talking to people, not computers talking to computers, and it's super important.
Trust and transparency is the cornerstone of every relationship. And we believe the way to do that is by creating a portal for them to log in and see everything that we're doing in real time.
Community is super important to me personally, but it's also important to the brand. We're always looking to figure out how can we overextend ourselves into the community. We partner with the Ronald McDonald House. We partner with Woman of Tomorrow. The list could go on, but community is kind of ingrained in how we operate. It's built into our core values.
It's important that you are experiencing all of the positive things that we have to offer, not just things that we tell you, but things that we deliver upon.
We've been doing this for about 24 years, and of our first 5 clients, we still have 3 of them. We don't care if you're under a contract. We'd love to meet, and we'd love to see what you guys are doing, and we'd love to tell you what we're doing, and we'd love to tell you what's going on in the IT landscape.
Work with a partner who plans to be here for the long haul. Start a local conversation with WheelHouse IT.